Hey guys, if you still haven't checked my new website, I just started my own website called Kidandroid or Edge, where I put daily posts related to the phones and related to the other technologies. If you haven't, please check it out. It will support me a lot. Thank you. What's up, everybody? Kidandroid here. So yeah, we have already seen everything about the upcoming Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra's design, but as we are getting closer to the launch event, as expected from Samsung, more and more leaks are appearing online. Therefore, today, Ice Universe, who is a well-known Samsung Leakster, just posted a high-quality live pictures of the Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra in every possible color. We also have a hands-on picture of the phone, which further indicates that people around the globe have already bought the model way ahead of its launch event. Anyway, here it is, the Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra in all possible 4 color options. I really liked this green color out of all because it seems to be the new one. Also, this pink color is the new, which all the ladies Samsung fans would prefer this time. Other than that, if we look into the design, it is almost identical to the previous Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra. Just a little bit changing into the cameras. And talking about the cameras though, this time around, the S23 series is bringing upgraded video capture capabilities, including support for 8K at 30 frames per second. If you don't know, previous models topped out at 24 frames per second. But there is more, and that is the interesting one. So according to the Leakster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have improved portrait video mode this time around. And the resolution capability is rapidly going to 4K at 30 frames per second, while the current S22 Ultra only records at 1080p 30 frames per second videos in portrait mode. On top of that, the separation between subject and background will be a lot better than the S22 Ultra, which makes me kind of exciting about it. Still, it's not clear if these enhancements will be available on other two Galaxy S23 models. They all have the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the Galaxy chipsets, but the Ultra is the only one with the new ISOCELL HP2 200 megapixel sensor. The S23 and the S23 Plus will use 50 megapixel sensors instead. So yeah, what do you think about our very first live look of the Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra's model? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.